let's clean the chain on your motorcycle.
What I did is buy a bottle of Simple Green, the gallon, put it in a smaller bottle, and then spray it on. Of course, put towels underneath to catch the excess. I went to the Dollar Tree, got this brush for $1 because I ain't spending $20 on a damn brush to clean a chain. Clean on the sides, clean on the bottom, on the top, spin the tire, and you're done. Of course, get a clean rag, wipe off all the grease and the dirt, and spin the tire. And you're done. Get you a bottle of gear oil and place it upon the chain slowly and spin the tire while you're doing it. Let it sit for a while and then come back and try to get some of that excess oil so it doesn't get all over your rim or anything else, your pants, or dirty the bike, and you should be good to go. Here's the before and after. Ooh la la.